Hello and welcome to Katrina Clutter Free. I am filming in my living room today, so that's not my biological clock ticking. That is that clock ticking. So anyway, just thought for a change of scenery, so just ignore the ticking in the background, although time is ticking away. So let's get started. I'm going to tell you what is new this month. I went back to work after my knee surgery, and everything is going fine. I've been off work for 3 months, and so yeah, I've made it through the first 2 days. So I'm filming Wednesday night. You're going to see this video Thursday morning. So yeah, I'm handling it. I'm getting in and out of the trucks. It has been extremely cold because even though it's May, I'm wearing a heavy coat because it's been in the low to mid 40s during the day. So it's been chilly. But yeah, and tomorrow I get to be in the office all day, so I'll just be in there drinking hot cups of tea. I don't drink cups of tea when I'm out on the road because there's no bathroom. Anyway, so tomorrow I can drink my hot tea and be nice and toasty in my office. But as far as the bariatric surgery, everything's going well. I have been able to exercise more, so I've been able to go for walks. Dave and I went for a mile walk around our neighborhood, and I've been doing on a daily basis throughout the day, been walking roughly about 1.5 miles. I wear like a little, it's not a Fitbit, it's a cheap version of a Fitbit. But yeah, so I've been keeping track of that. I'm doing a wellness challenge through our work. It runs five weeks through May and into the first week of June, and we do it every year. So yeah, so I have some goals there to make sure I exercise or walk in some way, shape, or form each day, or at least 5 days out of the week. And I don't snack on, we were getting into a really bad habit of snacking during the week, so no snacking during the week. We're back to only on weekends do I have a little bit of snacking. But haven't lost anything more, but I am able to exercise now. So that's making a big difference. I feel like I have more energy because I can get on the stationary bike and I can walk and my knee doesn't hurt. So, and I've been practicing the stairs. That's my challenge still, is going up and down the stairs with my new knee. So yeah, I've been practicing with that. So everything is going good. And because there's really not that much to share right now anymore, the bariatric journey portion, the series or whatever, I'm only going to be posting once in a while when something happens. When I hit Wonderland, yes, we'll be posting then. But yeah, I'm only going to be posting when there's something going on that I'm going to share with you guys, because otherwise I feel like every month I come on here and not a whole lot has changed. But this month there was some changes due to going back to work and you know, the progress on the knee replacement. So yeah, I'm back up and running. Well, not literally. I guess, yeah, I'm not running, but we're back up and walking, but we're back up. Yeah, it's coming along. So we're going to see how much this extra energy and extra walking and exercise and no snacking helps me. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you again on Saturday. Bye, everybody.